Welcome to our Distributor How-To series, How to Create an Idea Sheet. First, search for the products you're looking for. Idea sheets are a great way to send lots and lots of product ideas to your client very quickly. Choose the products that you want to send to your client. Each time you click the Add to Idea Sheet button, you're adding that product to your idea sheet basket. Once you've chosen all the products you want to add into your idea sheet, go to the idea sheet basket and click Complete Now. You'll now need to name your idea sheet, or you can add your products to an existing idea sheet. Once you've named your idea sheet, save your idea sheet. Your new idea sheet will now be added to the list. You can review the products that you've added into your idea sheet, and you can remove any if you don't want them. You can then email your idea sheet to your client. First, add their company details. Their email address, and you can edit the message. Name your idea sheet. You can add a follow-up date, your company logo, and your company headers and footers too. Before sending the idea sheet to your client, it's a really good idea to check that all the products you want are there and that all the information that you want to send to your client is showing correctly. Use the View or Download It button to save a copy of the idea sheet directly onto your desktop. Once you're happy with your idea sheet, you can send your idea sheet to your client. A record of all the idea sheets that you've sent to your clients are held in your dashboard in the idea sheet area. The information that you've input into that idea sheet will be stored for future reference. If you ever want to see what the idea sheet looks like, click the View and Download It button and you'll be able to see the PDF that's generated. And that's how to create an idea sheet. Thank you for watching.